Good morning, everybody. It's the morning of September 1st, and I decided I wanted to do a week in my life video for you guys this week as an English major in my last semester. So as I said, today is September 1st, and it's a Sunday, and I am going to the park with my best friend. We're gonna go have a little picnic type snack picnic, I guess, and we're actually going to Boeing Park, Gravelly Point Park, I don't know, really people call it different things, but it's in Arlington, Virginia, right outside of DC. And it's where people go to watch planes, and I love planes, and she's always wanted to go, and she's never been. I've been like 5 times, but that's what we're doing today, and I'm very excited for that, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. Okay, here's all my snacks that I brought. I have pretzels.
Okay.
I have goldfish.
Oh my god, goldfish.
I have Chips Ahoy. And I have granola bites.
Oh, slow.
And then here's my sandwich.
My Nature Valley.
Nice.
That is it.
And I brought my reading material.
Oh my god, slay.
My Hello Kitty magazine.
Slay. Hello Kitty.
Yeah, I love Hello Kitty. Because it's her 50th birthday.
Oh, slay. Happy birthday.
Yeah.
I thought about being Hello Kitty for Halloween.
Oh my god, really? Amtrak.
The Northeast Regional.
Bye, Amtrak. Pigeon, pigeon, pigeon. Oh! I went back to the car to get hand sanitizer because I used the porta potty, and I also remembered I had this blanket in my car, so we are gonna use this as our thing instead of my fitted sheet that like barely has any space to sit on. So here comes another plane.
Not my heart, not my space, not my street. I wish you'd stay. There's no point without you, and I wanna leave. When I came
Elena's going to get ice cream. So Elena was like, oh, let's go to Gravelly Point, and I was like, okay, and then I went to where I thought Gravelly Point was, which was not Gravelly Point, fun fact. So we're here now, we figured it out, I typed it in on the map, it's very cool. There was literally like a plane coming over the highway when we were driving here, and it was so close that it was scary. I was like, oh my god. Like, I knew it wasn't gonna hit me, but it scared me a lot, so. But we're here now, safe on the grass. There's the monument. There's the ice cream. Helicopter.
Not my heart, not my space, not my street. Wish you stayed.
Sounds like it's an international airport.
'Cause I wanna leave.
Hello everybody. I just dropped Elena off. We had such a fun time at the park. And now I'm driving home. It was funny, we accidentally took the wrong exit because there were 3 lanes and it was really hard to tell what lane was going where, so we were in the wrong lane. So we accidentally took the exit that goes to the National Monument, like the Lincoln Memorial, the monument, all that. So we drove around in a circle and that was kind of funny. So that's what that clip was from that I just put in. But yeah, now I am driving home. It's starting to rain, which is really fantastic. I love rain so much. So I think I'm gonna put on maybe like a movie or something and make tea and just have a really fantastic introvert night. I think I also have homework to do, which is not fantastic, but it'll be fine. It'll be fine. I will see you when I get home. It's later. I'm in a different outfit, obviously. I showered because I got really sweaty outside. It was hot, but I made dinner and then I proceeded to eat it all without filming any of it. But it was hot dogs and mac and cheese again, which is like what I make when I don't know what to make, and I didn't know what to make. I also need to go grocery shopping, so I didn't really have that much in the cabinet. But yeah, it's 8:42 right now. At 9 p.m. my friends are doing a Discord one-shot, or a D&D one-shot on Discord, and I am not going to be participating because I have homework, but I'm going to watch. So that is the next thing that I'm going to be doing. I also would like to read tonight, but I honestly don't know if I'm going to have time. So I think that's the goal. We'll see if we get to it. And now I'm just going to start my homework.
Walking around with nothing in my mind. No phone calls in reality, never to find. So look, I don't need your acceptance, I don't need your love. Yeah, I got caverns in my head, I'm lost in the darkness, wait, then show me the sun.
Good morning everyone. It's Monday now. It's 11:30. I just woke up because it's Labor Day, so I don't have any class or work or anything, which is very fun and exciting. Usually on Mondays I have class in the morning, which I filmed a regular Monday. If you're curious about my regular Mondays, I filmed a regular Monday last week for my first day of school video, so that's available to watch if you're curious. But today's Labor Day, so I don't have any class or work, and the only real plan I have is to go to Trader Joe's today. Elaine and I need to get groceries, so we're going to Trader Joe's.
Show me the big bright star, show me the sun. Watch it burn me down. Then show me the sun. Show me the big bright star. Show me the sun. Watch it burn me down. A million dreaming souls dropping in like flies into the dungeons of your lies. Living lies full of lies. A million other souls pretending to be alright, but we're all alright.
I ate my breakfast.
Okay.
The next thing I have to do is something that I should have done like a day or two ago, but I have to give my guinea pig a bath because his brother, who's not here, but his brother who's at my parents' house, had like a little flea or something in his food bowl, and my mom was like, you should just give Robin a bath too. So we're gonna give Robin a bath, and he's gonna hate it. He's gonna hate it a lot. But we have to be safe rather than sorry. So it's just what we have to do, Robin. It's something that has to happen for you. And he doesn't even know what's coming. He doesn't even know. You don't even know, do you?
Then show me the sun. Show me the big bright star. Show me the sun. Watch it burn me down. Then show me the sun. Show me the big bright star. Show me the sun. Watch it burn me down.
Well, that was something. He did have a lot of, like, you can't see it anymore because this is the second batch of water. You can see all this little fluff in there, though. But he did have, like, little things that looked like they could be fleas. So, we got that taken care of. He actually did a lot better than I expected. I expected him to really hate it, but he did a good job. So, this lighting is very blue all of a sudden. I've just been sitting here. I wrote a script for a video that I'm gonna do soon. I'm gonna do a college advice video because I feel qualified to do that now as a senior, which is crazy. So I just like wrote that up. And when I started writing it, I ordered Uber Eats because I was like, you know what? It's the first of the month. It's the second of the month. But I was like, it's the beginning of the month. I'm going to treat myself. I really want this specific sandwich, and I would love it to be here without having to go get it. Because I could go get it, and I should have gone to get it, as I'm going to tell you why. But I ordered it 40 minutes ago. It was supposed to come at 1:30. It's 1:40. It's been delayed 2 times. And I am really hungry, and I want this sandwich so bad. I literally ordered my favorite sandwich. I want it so badly. And I was supposed to get it 10 minutes ago. And every minute that goes by, I feel more enraged. And I'm not mad at Uber Eats or my driver or anything, but like the first driver I was supposed to have canceled. So now I'm waiting for the second driver to get here, but he also had another stop, and now it says your order was delayed. And I'm so hungry. I'm getting hangry. I should have just gone to pick it up myself. But I thought, you know, naively that it would be here when I was done writing and I wouldn't have to do anything. I wouldn't have to go anywhere. But no, I should have just gone to get it. Whatever, it's fine. Got my food finally. Let's see, I hope it's still warm. I'm so hungry, actually. This is ridiculous. I also got my package when I went down there. So, a keyboard rest thing, but this smells so good. I got my utensils. It's honestly fine if it's not warm, like I can just heat it up myself, but defeats the purpose of getting food delivery. It's fine. Let's try the sandwich. A little bit soggy, but it's okay. It's understandable. It took 20 extra minutes to get here. Very good though. Very good, and I'm happy. I got a bunch of stuff. My roommates were all like hanging out in the living room, so I didn't want to do a haul and like disturb them, but I got a bunch of stuff. I tried to film like a little clip of it, but basically just all like the weekly groceries and stuff. And then I also got these raspberry stars because I am on the exec board of a club and we're having our first like meeting of the semester this week, so I wanted to bring these. So yeah, and then I also got watermelon to share with Robin. So let's give him some watermelon. This is a special treat for being a good boy and taking a bath today. Got pesto chicken, and I'm gonna cook like half of that, I think, so that I have it to kind of meal prep with for the rest of the week. So let's go do that. Discussion board, and it's on the secret history, and it just feels so crazy to be, so I've already read the secret history, but it feels so crazy to be writing a discussion board on like one of the most popular books right now. Like the secret history is so popular. I love this book, highly recommend, but it just feels very fun to be writing a discussion board on it. This is so English major core. It's a bit later. I'm just doing homework, and I've been doing homework, and I will continue doing homework. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the night. Right now I'm annotating some stuff, replying to my classmates, making my own comments, all that. Good morning, everybody. It's Tuesday. It's 11:07. I have class at 12. But I'm very excited for today because I woke up and my mom texted me that it feels like fall. So I looked at the weather. It's 66 degrees right now, which is really exciting. I have begged and cried for it to be under 78 because it's mostly been like 80s, even 90s, and I just want it to be fall. So I'm very excited that it's fall. I got my Ireland rugby kit on, and I'm going to work, so I got my work pants. I took shorts out and then I realized I was going to work, so I have my work pants on. But yes, I'm very excited to get to wear my Ireland rugby jersey. Literally have not been able to wear since, I guess I should leave this unbuttoned. I haven't been able to wear this since I was in Ireland, but I get to wear it today and I'm very excited. And yep, I'm just gonna make breakfast and then I'm gonna go to class.
Yeah, and you're right, we do know.
Yeah, and so it's not that.
I just had class. I had my contemporary fiction class where we were talking about the sacred history, and it just took me 17 minutes to park in this parking garage on campus. But now I'm parked in this parking garage and I'm gonna go walk like the 2 minutes to my work building because I work on campus. And yeah, I have quite a few work assignments today, so I'm planning to leave at 3. Hopefully I can leave at 3, but it doesn't really matter. I don't have any other plans for the day, so it's currently 1:38. Alright, so I'm home from class. Why are there crumbs all over my desk? I'm back from class and from studying with my best friend, and I have a whole bunch of books in here for my classes that I need to unpack. So let's do that. Okay, we have James by Percival Everett, Heat and Light by Jennifer Hay, Pour One for the Devil, very short though, so that's exciting. Sea of Tranquility by Emily St. John Mandel. I love Emily St. John Mandel. I read her other book, Station 11, for this same professor last year, So he also clearly loves Emily St. John Mandel, but I'm excited. I Tituba, Black Witch of Salem. Oil on Water by Hilan Habila. A very water damaged The Crucible. So that's good. Severance by Lang Ma. I say. Not returnable if shrink wrap broken. Which is the sticker I have on it.
Laying out, and I got something for ya. Not my heart, not my space, not my street, which you say. There's no point without you, and I wanna leave.
Can I trust you? All these things that I know are the gone.
Come here.
Can we all just agree to go?
'Cause I wanna
Good morning. It's Wednesday. Usually I have work at 11 a.m. but it's 10:16 and I haven't been feeling good this morning. I woke up like an hour ago. I don't know, I'm just like not feeling the best. So I think I'm actually not gonna go to work, which is okay because I don't think anyone was expecting me. I mean, like I have like stuff to do, but like I think it's okay like if I'm not there. So I'm not gonna go to work, but we do have the club fair for the club that I'm editor-in-chief of. It's a magazine. I'm editor-in-chief of Heart Campus at my school, and we're doing a table, so I'm gonna head to campus in like 20 minutes and set that up, and then I don't know. I'm home. It's 3:33. That's crazy. Wow, make a wish, I guess. I'm home. I had a crazy morning. Like, I'm not even kidding. So I woke up and I immediately got one of those leg cramps that like you get when you like stretch but you're like half asleep, and they're like they're excruciating. They're excruciating. They hurt so much. So I had one of those like right off the bat when I woke up, which was not fun. And then I was like, oh, I should eat a banana, you know, because like bananas really help muscle cramps. So I was like, I'm gonna eat a banana. I just bought bananas. I'll go eat a banana. I go to eat my banana. There are no more bananas. My roommates ate my bananas. I had 3 bananas. Now I have 0 bananas. So that was frustrating. And then my sunglasses, I put them on my head and I bent down to pick something up and my sunglasses fell off of my head and broke. Yep, so my sunglasses broke. And they're prescription, so they're not cheap. They're not cheap at all. So this is very upsetting. Anyway, now I'm home. I ate my Panera in class, as you saw. I got mac and cheese along with my banana. And I got a baguette, so I'm gonna eat that now. Yeah, and I'm just gonna journal, I think. I feel like journaling, so that's gonna be the move. I have some... My brother's calling me. Hey. What? I just talked to my brother for like an hour, but I was gonna say, I got one of these and I'm gonna drink this while I work on some random things that I have to do. Still doing work. I'm annotating homework and whatever and writing, but I decided, it's also really dark in here. Okay, jeez. I decided I want to light my fall candle. Obviously, I want to do that. Yeah, so I low-key forgot that my fall candle existed for like 2 weeks. But yeah, it's been so much more like fall weather this weekend, which is so fantastic. Ugh, it smells so good. This is the pumpkin spice latte candle. I'll do the influencer hand. I don't even think you can see it, but it's the pumpkin spice latte candle from Bath and Body Works. On burnout, and I feel like sharing them. So if you made it this far in the video, I'm honestly really impressed. Comment down below if you did. I'm just really curious because I feel like most people don't really get this far into my videos, but I just have something to say about burnout. So if you're watching, here's a free little burnout discussion for you. I don't know, but I'm writing a discussion board, and it's interesting because I was always very academic growing up, and you know, I feel like I've experienced the whole gifted kid burnout arc that people talk about because I was in the gifted program, and now I'm burnt out. Obviously it's in the name, but I just think it's so interesting because like when I was a kid, I really valued academia and I was like good at academics, so I obviously wanted to have, you know, I put a lot of emphasis on it, and I had like big dreams for myself, big goals. Like I thought I would be like a lawyer or like a professor or just like something like very academic that like required a lot of schooling and stuff like that. And like I was so 100% I'm going to grad school, I'm, you know, grad school, law school, whatever, like I'm gonna keep going to school. I was so dead set on that for so long, and I think it was like last semester when I was finally like, I just don't want that anymore. Like I want to be done with school. And now I'm a senior. This is my last semester. I'm graduating a semester early also, because I can, and I'm just I'm just ready to be done. Like I really have no motivation to do schoolwork anymore, and it's literally the second week of school and I'm already like, I don't want to do any more school. Like I'm losing my mind. I'm losing my marbles. But I just like so strongly don't want to do this, and I feel so like trapped and uncomfortable doing all of these like hours of homework that I have every night. And I don't know, I just like know so strongly that this is not what I'm meant to be doing, and that I don't know, like for a while I was like, am I making the right decision by not going to grad school, like etc, 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 and I might still go to grad school down the line in like a few years, but like now I just know so certainly that this is not what I'm meant to be doing, and I'm meant to be graduating and just being done and, you know, getting a job and exploring the post-grad world. So yeah, I don't know if you feel at all similar to me. Please comment about that, because I would love to talk about it with somebody. And yeah, I'm the only one I know, not the only one I know, but I'm the only one out of my close friends that's graduating early. Most of my friends are the same grade as me. Like most of my friends are seniors, but they are graduating on time, like in the spring, and I'm graduating in the winter. So I don't know, I just feel like I have so much intense reflection going on because I'm literally gonna graduate in 3 months. So yeah. It's later. Robin and I are eating watermelon, and I think I'm actually gonna end this vlog here because it's getting kind of long. So it's been like a week in my life. It's been a Sunday to a Wednesday. I'm basically gonna do the same thing tomorrow that I did today. So yeah, basically this is what a week in my life looks like most of the time. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I really appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.